Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Well, in today's video we are going to see how to make green goddess salad, but the popular vegan version of it, which makes it so very healthy as it is packed with many nutrients. This vegan salad looks like a dip which can be relished with nachos or toast. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So to make green goddess salad, you will need a small portion of cabbage. And let me tell you, I am making this salad for 2 to 3 people. So adjust the proportion and quantity accordingly. And you need to chop this as fine as you can, like this. Next, take a salad bowl and transfer the finely chopped cabbage into it. Then goes some finely chopped English cucumber. I have used here half portion of one large cucumber. And finally a small bowl of scallions or spring onions. If you have chives, you can include that also. So our salad base is ready, and now we shall make the vegan salad dressing. For my vegan salad dressing, I have taken here a handful of basil leaves, some mint leaves, some parsley. If you don't have parsley, you can include cilantro or even celery. Also some green spring onions. Then also you will need a handful of spinach, the white part of spring onion, and to give that creamy texture by replacing the mayo and sour cream used in the traditional recipe, I am using here some cashews, some walnuts and some peanuts. But one thing I would like to say is that feel free to make your own variation in the salad dressing. And also 4 garlic pods. Now take a mixer grinder or a chutney jar, and into it we will add all the green leafy vegetables and the herbs one by one. And here finally goes the spinach. And now we will grind this into a coarse paste. And now into it I will add some more spinach. Then goes the white part of spring onion cut into small portions like this. Next goes the cashews, walnuts and the peanuts. The 4 garlic pods. The juice of 1 lemon, one teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You can also add white vinegar. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, some salt as per taste, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And now we need to grind all this into a smooth paste. Let's check this now. So our vegan salad dressing is ready. You can see how smooth and creamy the texture is without adding any mayo or cream. And now we need to pour this vegan salad dressing into our salad base. Here it goes. Pour the dressing generously over the salad base. Now mix this well. Unlike the traditional way of making green salad dressing, this vegan recipe is low in fat and calories, plus the addition of leafy greens, garlic, nuts, veggies makes this salad naturally rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So those of you who are trying to lose some weight, do try this recipe. Alright, mixing is done. And to enjoy my vegan green goddess salad, I'm going to place some nachos on the sides like this, which goes really well with it. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy vegan green goddess salad recipe very soon. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.